Tomorrow is Super Tuesday in America. No, that's not Superhero Recognition Day, though that is probably a thing. Super Tuesday is the single most important day in the presidential nominating process. 14 states hold nominating contests, giving out a total of 1,614 delegates. That's 40% of the pledged delegates all in one day, in a diverse set of states from coast to coast, north, south, and central. For the first time in history, Super Tuesday includes the nation's two largest states, California and Texas, which control a total of 643 delegates, nearly a sixth of the total number of delegates available. So Super Tuesday is obviously really important for the remaining presidential hopefuls. But even with all of these delegates getting awarded, it's unlikely to be a knockout punch for anybody because of the Democratic Party's rules. Unlike electoral college votes, which are winner take all, you win a state by a single vote, you get all of its electoral votes. Delegates are awarded proportionally. So even if one candidate got 51% of the vote in each of the 15 states voting tomorrow, he or she would only get a little more than half of the available delegates. That's a big chunk, of course, and frontrunner status is definitely on the line. But even with 40% of the delegates available tomorrow, Super Tuesday is unlikely to end this nominating battle.